What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm taking off what makes it a Cadillac.
What?
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start ripping all the little side strips needed. Look, check it out. I thought these were. Oh, they are.
Is that a screw?
They're actually wood screws.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty cool, huh?
Man,
It's fucked up.
that's your OBS, baby.
Yeah. It ain't much right now, but once we're done with this motherfucker,
Hey, it's paid for.
I don't owe nothing. No payments, no nothing. Zero interest. Fucking gay ass shit. I don't know who the fuck does that. Body's alright, it's not too bad. Just not gonna fucking. I mean, regardless, it's gonna be a ground up build anyway, so. My main thing, as long as I got the frame and shit, half the frame's gonna come off anyway, so. But
Plenty of room in here.
yeah, we should have storage right now. So.
Yeah, there's probably a dead body in there. It smells.
Ain't no dead body.
Is that a TV
Where?
or monitor?
It's probably the old monitor from the dyno that I used to have at the other shop. Yeah, sure is.
Oh yeah, another monitor. You got the fucking 6x9s in the front.
Yeah. Like I said, it ain't much right now, but once we're done with it, it'll look really nice and pretty. I'm gonna set it up more for the street, so it'll be like a drag and drive kind of thing.
Yeah.
But I'm torn if I want to do an LS steel or a big block. I think I'm gonna do a big block. Big block on twins. Well, it has to be turbo. You know
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
So, big block on twins and or big single. I don't know. I'll probably be twins.
Yeah.
I'm actually against twins.
Really?
Well, just I'm more of a just one turbo kind of guy, or whatever. But no, I mean two. I mean everything all the race cars and stuff are all twin turbo anyway. So, no, but I want to set it up to where, like I said, I could drive it on shit 93 or even E85, and then when I go balls to the wall, it'll be set up to make like 2,500 horsepower or some shit. So, but still have AC and everything. I think I'm gonna put AC in it. I don't know. It depends how crazy I get with it. It might not even be a drag and drive deal. It might just be a full blown race truck. Who the hell knows? I really want to do something where I can actually drive it. So we'll see. But for now, I'm gonna take all this fucking Cadillac shit off. This conversion.
Mm. AC would be nice. It's fucking hot out here.
Yeah, AC would be fucking nice. If anybody wants a turbo kit, I need an AC system for the shop.
A badass one. Who makes the best AC fucking systems?
Can't pull this shit off. What?
AC systems.
For what?
Aftermarket.
Oh, I don't know. There's a few out there.
I don't know of any because I usually just take them off. Dang, that's a sweet ride though, man.
Nothing wrong with surface rust.
Yeah. Hey, check out this truck.
You want this 350?
Man. Say
I
to
was running
cheap.
before truck was parked.
We just gotta charge the battery.
Yeah. I can turn it on for you. I need a Phillips screwdriver.
They fucking put wood screws on the fucking
That's the beast right here.
wood screws on the fenders to hold them on.
I thought they were self-tappers or wheel screws. I took them off right.
Not even self-tap.
That shit off.
Yeah. See, some down there, some right there.
That ass. I need the little one.
You needed a little one?
Yeah.
I can't help you with that.
I got the fenders over there.
Oh, those up there?
Yeah, I just gotta take the actual fender.
Beautiful truck, man.
That way?
Dreams do come true.
Hey, at least I got them 22s.
Gotta wash them up.
You're right there, more.
Oh, it's going back. I don't know if I find the spot right there.
It's got to settle.
Did I find its own spot?
I mean, it's a common problem with these. You know what I mean? They always vibrate and stuff. So it's just over time it gets worse. So local BMW dealership hit us up because obviously this is titanium, so there's not really a lot of there's people out there that can do it, but it got referred to us and trying to figure out the problem, and we ended up finding there's a few there was a crack there, and then there's a few things inside that we kind of reinforced a little bit, and it's kind of what I'm gonna do here. Same thing, because they took it back, and now apparently, and you can even feel it, this side is pretty solid, and you can still hear some kind of rattle even with this off. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did to here. That's why I cut another patch on this side, because there's a big deal. There's a separator right there if you can see it inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce these tubes here, and in reality that's pretty much all you can really do to these things. There's people that put tabs and whatnot, and I think the reason why I think the reason why too is because of what goes on inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix that, and then like I said, in reality after that point there's really nothing you can do about it. So it's just looks like it's always fatigued, you know what I mean? I don't know, we'll see. So not only we do custom fabrication or anything like that, we also do repair work, small jobs like this. So if you're ever in the need and you got something small to tackle, we obviously do, as long as it fits within the schedule. But most of the time, like little jobs like this, we'll normally take in, because sad they don't take up too much time, but it's just obviously try to help as much as we can. This, but I'm gonna purge it first.
Oh.
Like let it fill up the purge. So basically what I'm doing is purging it. Well, I'm filling up a purge. That's why it's so high. So that way, just to try to clear out the system, and then that's why you see everything kind of taped up around. Usually I have more of the TIG aesthetics deal, but for now I just have the tape. But that way people can see, even when we do repairs and stuff, we actually still purge, So what I'm gonna do is go little by little, start taking the tape off, weld, and then keep on taking off the tape until it's 100% done, and then I'll go over it again, just to make sure it actually.
Well, it looks like that.
Yeah, it was nice and pretty. See it?
Flex it?
Huh?
Is that flex it?
Yeah, so basically what we're doing right now is we're taking the cap off so we can get this sandblasted. We're gonna take this off to get sandblasted and stuff, so I can actually sit there and box the frame, because this is, it's gonna have a Coyote power plant in it, right? We're still debating we're gonna keep a natural gas splitter, or we're gonna do like a pro charger, or maybe even a single or twins, or whatever the case is. But regardless, even we want to make sure that the frame is actually, it's important, right? You don't want it to flex or anything like that. It's gonna be daily driven, so we bought the whole ride tech suspension stuff, but want to make sure that you enjoy the actual ride instead of like you're trying to punch over the cases and once you're trying to wheel hop or whatever. So we're stiffening up the actual frame to make sure that everything that we're putting on there, you can actually feel a difference versus it just
Let's see the flex.
Check it out. Look at it. Right?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
That's a lot of flex. So we're gonna try to eliminate all that.
All right. Full necking it.
Look at that shit, dude.
That shit's wobbly.
God damn. Just putting wheels on the frame right now so we're gonna pick it up in like 10 minutes. Get up, Marty?
Look at that. That's the rear, and that's the front, right?
Yeah.
That's all it is. Get those wheels out.
She just had them there.
Finally go to use.
The wheels,
I've had these forever.
they paid off.
0 interest.
0 interest.
Oh, she doesn't get the cutoff wheel. You didn't get the thing? What?
And there's the cap. Dude, that drink made me shit like blue and green.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. I should have taken a picture. I knew you wouldn't believe me.
Oh, hell no.
Damn it.
That's that fucking energy drink. I should have mixed it with all that bullshit.
That dye drink he gave us. It's all dye.
Might need some.
You got it, dude. Busy, he's got it.
Huh? No, and I got the woods in a row. You got it?
Right to that cab.
Boom.
Look at that man right there.
Mm.
Looking like an Egyptian god.
I know.
Huh? Yeah, hell, that's fucking hot. Fuck that. When it gets cooler, we'll just fucking